Hey, this is Dad from Dad's Honey-Do List. Can you guess what's coming up in the cold storage box here? What we got growing? Cold storage box. It maybe got a bell pepper. Oh, we got a couple. I don't think there's any tomatoes. This is probably broccoli. We have a little cabbage. I forgot what was over here. They got bent. Oh, tomatoes. No tomatoes. But yeah, it's starting to grow finally. So we got a little bit. I'm trying to get down there. See? That's probably green pepper. These beefsteak tomatoes. Nothing coming up yet. Looks like broccoli's coming up. There could be a little cabbage, but there's maybe a small hint. And I got a dog licking me. Maybe yellow tomato. That could be something there. Hey, here's our green storage box. I think I got a hint of green peppers. I don't know if there's maybe a tiny bit of beefsteak tomatoes. Not beef steak tomatoes. Looks like we got broccoli here and cabbage. It looks like maybe a hint. That's a yellow tomato. And I got dogs licking me. So, okay guys. That's our cold storage box. I had to get down on my knees. So I thought I'd show you. Finally. I don't know when we planted this, if it was 3 weeks ago, but it's been pretty cold. I just got it